Good morning. My name's Kit Boju with MarineMax Pensacola. And this morning we're going to do a walkthrough of this all-new 2019 Galeon 470 Sky. So we're going to start out on the hydraulic swim platform of the 470 Sky. You'll notice teak throughout, which leads into the cockpit and the patio area. So we'll make our way up here to the cockpit area with large U-shaped seating, a very large table for entertaining with all of your guests. So I'm standing on the port side swim patio, as you can see is in full function here, which is great for entertaining because you have your guests inside and your guests outside. Sit at the bar with all of your guests that are interior, slide this door, make it great for entertaining exterior. So we're gonna work our way inside the boat. Before we do, you'll notice this multi-function style dooring. You can slide the door all the way to port, which makes a huge entryway for your guests in and out of the boat, which makes a great day boat on the 470 Sky. So in the 470 Sky, the key word is entertainment, because you can do that. Notice a sliding door is all that separates between you and the outside. With your guests sitting on the patio or your guests sitting inside, you have that access to do anything on the 470 Sky for entertaining. So we've made our way up to the salon area. First thing you'll notice, large windows all throughout. So if you're sitting in the salon underway, or if you're down in the galley making something to eat, you have that view all throughout. And large U-shaped seating with a beautiful table that's finished by Galeon. So at the helm on the 470 Sky, there's many features. As this boat is a sky bridge, you have multiple stations. At the helm here, your Volvo Penta gauges, your Raymarine chart plotter, autopilot, bow thruster, your controls, along with your zip wake system. See the bridge. Welcome to the bridge on the 470 Sky. The first thing you'll notice, large seating, and what a better place to run a boat. So we're at the upper sky bridge. Here we are at the helm. Notice everything at your fingertips. GPS chart plotter, autopilot, Volvo Penta gauges, your zip wake system, everything right here. So we're in the master stateroom on the 470 Sky. Notice where I'm sitting. Great view, large windows, lots of light. Walk around the bed completely in the master. Great storage throughout, large TV. Notice the fit and finish all throughout between the suede, the woodwork, the touches from Galeon. In the 470 Sky, this is a true 3-stateroom, 2-head boat. So you have your one head in the master, and then you have your day head off to port as you come down the steps. So I'm standing in the starboard side stateroom, which is great for any of your guests or their children, as you got a true bunk in the stateroom. So we're in the forward stateroom, and notice I'm sitting alongside the bed, which there's plenty of room to get up into the bed from both sides. Also notice the fit and finish in the cabinetry from Galeon, which is done in-house. Also the private access to your day head from inside the stateroom. So what better place to watch a sunset than on the bow of the 470 Sky? Lots of seating for all of your guests. So this concludes our video walkthrough of the 2019 470 Sky. We'd like to thank you for watching, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.